back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out a couple ways how to make dish soap slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some no-glue slime recipes that I thought I would try out with dish soap slime. So as you guys know, on my channel, one of my favorite recipes ever is dish soap slime. I absolutely love it. It's a very quick recipe to make, and I think you guys like that recipe a lot, judging by how many views the past videos I've done on it gotten. Also, look how cute my background is. I have my new Squishmallow over here, and then this teddy bear I got for Christmas. But yeah, so let's get right into the video today. Okay, so for these recipes today, you will of course need dish soap. I have this Dawn dish soap that I've used in a few of my videos, so it's kind of running out. But then I also have this pink dish soap that I want to try out for a video today. I think I did a video in the past on this, but it seems very cool to try out, and I'm excited for this. So here it is, what I'm using. But yeah, then you guys will of course need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. You guys need to get your bowler plate out, and you're going to get adding in your dish soap. So I'm going to add the blue one right here. Fill it all the way up around the rim. And also a pink one. Ooh, a bubble just flew away. And this one's a very, very pretty color. Look how pretty that is. And ew, there was a hair on it. But those are. And I'm going to get mixing it up now for each of them. And you can mix it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes to even 3 minutes. As much as you mix is how much thicker it will get, which I always tell you guys that. So let's get doing that now. Okay, so that looks like just enough mixing, and here they are. You can see they're all bubbly and ready to get put into the refrigerator. So for this one, what I'm going to do to make it different is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and I'm going to see how this works. Then for this one, I'm going to put it into the freezer for 2 hours and see how it works. I'm kind of nervous that this one's going to get a little icy, but let's see how this works out. So I will see you guys in about a second. Okay, so they are out of the freezer and fridge. Sorry, I didn't take it out on camera. I don't want to do a little bit of a thumbnail, so I did the thumbnail. And here is the one from the fridge. I can tell this one right away worked. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This made awesome slime. Just telling it off the back. And look how clear it is. That's amazing. Look at that. Let me put the spoon over here. Ooh. Awesome slime. Very sticky though. I'll tell that right from that one. I'm so sorry. It's been doing that all day with the camera. And here is the one from the freezer. Looks like it had the same reaction. You can see there's some ice around the side, which is normal from the freezer. And I'm excited to see how this one worked. So let me test it out. It feels exactly the same as the one from the refrigerator, which is kind of weird because this one was in there longer. Of course these need to be in there a bit longer because you can see that it's not working all the way, but I'm going to say these were a win-win on both sides. It's just this one's really sticky. And if you do this recipe, I'm going to recommend you put it in there for 2 to 3 to 4 hours even, because as you can tell, they're sticky. And nobody wants sticky slime. You want slime that actually works. So make sure you do that if you try out this recipe. But yeah, I really did like this recipe today. And I really hope you guys try this out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. It was a win-win on my part. Thank you guys so much for watching. All my social medias are linked down below. Go check out my TikTok. I post so much on there. I keep posting on there. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and peace and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye. And remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. And in the comments down below, give us some video ideas. Bye.